Greetings everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a simple dish, mashed potato with salmon. And there you have it. So first we're gonna clean up the salmon. You gotta wash it and clean it down with lime juice. That's my preference. And you're gonna slice it up and pour it in a container. Now we're gonna add the seasoning. We get some olive oil on it. We get the Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and we're also gonna add a little black pepper to it as well. It's a preference. It's optional for you to add more spices to it of your choice. Then we're gonna rub that seasoning in. We're gonna season the salmon to perfection. Oh, as you can see, make sure you rub that seasoning properly because it's gonna decide on the outcome of how good your food tastes. Now you're gonna let it marinate for an hour. Then you have the container, then you add the oil to the container. Now we're gonna fry this salmon to perfection. We're gonna add them in the oil. We're gonna fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes on 350 or 400. I would prefer 350. Then you're gonna flip them over on the other side and you're gonna do the same thing for the other side as well. And you see that brown crispy look? That's what you're looking for. That's the aim. When you see it, you know it, and you know you're on the right track. Slowly, we're gonna take the salmon out of the pot. And once we take the salmon out of the pot, we're gonna use the oil in the pot to saute your natural seasoning. That's something that I love to do. So here we have the bell pepper, we have the onion, the scallion, and we mince it up and slice it up to your preference or your choice. We're gonna add the coconut powder to it. That's what we have in the kitchen today. We're gonna add some hot water on it as well. And we're gonna cook those sauce down in the coconut milk. And I can tell you, we had a little black pepper and a little more Maggi all-purpose to bring off the spice and lay the salmon on top. You make sure you turn the stove down and low, and you're gonna base the salmon with the sauce. And that's where the mixture comes in, where you get that nice, beautiful combination. You let that sauce soak in the salmon slowly. And there you have it. That's the salmon to its best home cooked choice. You get this nowhere else. And as you know, we have salmon, so there is something simple that we wanted to have the salmon with today. Here we have mashed potato. You had a little butter in it and a little salt. That's all I need. It's a preference of your choice. You can decide if you want to add milk or cheese to it as well, but I prefer just a little butter and a little salt. And as you know, presentation is key. There is no way you can cook and your presentation is crappy. There is no way you want to do that. You want to make sure you present the food to the best of your ability. And look at that nice juicy sauce. Look at that sauce. Oh my God. It is simple. It is healthy. You don't have to think too much. This is the perfect dinner.